Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add products to your WordPress site using WooCommerce. Whether you are setting up a small store or managing a large inventory, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. First of all, make sure you have WooCommerce installed and activated on your WordPress site. You can do this by going to plugin section and searching for WooCommerce. Then install it. Once WooCommerce is set up, navigate to Products in the left-hand menu and click Add New. This is where you will enter all the details for your products. Start by entering the product name and description. Make sure your description is clear and informative to help customers understand what you are offering. Scroll down to the product data section. Here you can set the product type, price, and inventory details. If your product has variations like different sizes or colors, select variable product and configure the attributes. Next, add images to your product. Click set product image to upload main image and add product gallery images for additional photos. This helps showcase your product from different angles. Assign categories and tags to your product to make it easier for customers to find. This is especially useful if you have a large inventory. Once you have entered all the details, click Publish to make your product live on your site. And that's it. You have successfully added a product to your WordPress site using WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.